Mad, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. Yours truly, the host, Nando in our building. And today I will be doing a reaction video to Alkaline's Dangerous Youth, the long-awaited visuals for his audio, Dangerous Youth. Him just drop it, and I'm gonna jump in a reaction. So before the reaction start, remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button, and always keep that notification bell on and buzzing. So let's get right into the interview. Let's get right into the reaction and stay tuned. Man. Man. So far I like the suspense. I like the suspense of the visual. The suspense is bad, I like that. Bad. Bumbleclee, the dog come out with a rifle, bro. The man come out with a rifle. Alkaline, now badness the dog, I show yo, John, what is? Alkaline, careful dog, the bad jump out the rifle, chat him out, get put on mute. Bumbleclee. Yo, no see that? Only no see the whole thing a while ago, bro. Look pon the dog. Look pon the dog. The way how the man push out him head with the mask. You get afraid. Instant shock you get, bro. And instant afraid. Look how the man push out him head with the mask. And him eye that a peep out through the mask eye now, bro. The way how the man push out him head first. And you see the mask. The visuals, I like it so far, bro. I like how the visuals are play out so far. The man jump on him, ups them ends and push out. Wicked. Mask. Alone you see piece of mask, you see a piece of devil, piece of demon pin down. Yeah, no, bro. Yo, all them dip on them ends and all the bartender for your run. So she now I'm not going. The bartender run, she now I'm not going the dog there. What you man them? The man them a play domino, shock. The man them so shocked. Them have gun on them ends and can't even pull it. One man with a piece of matic if you have them shook. Yeah, no, what ya? Trust me, you doing that. Trust me, though. Me would have going guns blazing. Me don't know how the mass man are coming and now bust up be a shot. Every man have your dead part. We all know see a music video still, but if I mean a guns blazing, me are coming with, bro. And the director and the editor have to make sure say it look like shot a bust out a gun mouth. The man going for the man them, point gun for the man them, I shot off your fire you. You see that? Rifleman can't even fire a shot. That's why it's not good for power with rifle. It's good for have matic, bro. Rifleman can't even fire a shot. The matic man have him pin. Rifleman dead, have him gun and shot. And dead him dead pan spot. Right. Man box out him gun out there, man. Shit, man out. The man out him like, bro. Man give him a lights out. You see the flares. Be a flashing. Gunshot a beating a boy. Yeah, no you would. Yo, Jar, no. The man does out everything like a wet mat. Everything they are going. So when bartender they should run and left everybody. Jar, no, bro, that's crazy. Yo, the visuals bad, dad. The visuals tough but at a different level, bro. The visual now like it will help push the song and more people are going to watch it, I guess. Ja, no. Pan a big man level still no. Me not too like the violence thing no, but you know the artists them I eat their culture and I eat them make money more at time. Them a feed the people with what the people them want. But at the same time I not too like the violence thing, but a music and it's art and they're painting a picture of reality and what's out there in life and what take place. But me not too like it, but the visual tough dog, I like it. I like the visual pan a level. And watch the man himself, man. Peace at 16 in the hand. Jesus and peace. I love, I don't know that. The mask I showcase in a video. I love that, bro. That just a show more dominance for the vendetta side, you know. I show more resilience and dominance. Cause remember a time, you know, we never usually see the mask like that anymore in a music video now. So now the last time we see mask are from Cree music video. And this a give me a Cree vibes with the mask man and they go up on them ends and dust them out and wet them up and rare. It a give me the vibes and I love that, bro. I love that. And the girl them there and the crutch, guns and plenty rocks. Man. But them wife she had ready nash. By the end of me so when the light a cash. Feel see a bit with you. Yeah, match up, tell her that. God them yeah, them a go want a family black. Badness from the humble clean, bro. You see what man about for the man a burn down man them house now. And literally I say it going on a garrison, you know, man. When man a war, you know. Man go burn down man place no, man go burn down on some set part of our community no. I saw you war and the badness going on John. That's why I'm not too like it in the youth. Cause all you know say life can get take, but I'm music still, so we must show you more likely I don't know where you are burn down, but John. I ain't this man. Again the mask that the mask just as some evil men. You remember the Vendetta show, bro? Once the mask through and you know, a straight dopey I make now, man. Once the mask through and a straight dopey I gonna make, bro. Yo, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the hell? The man himself, boss a jelly dog. The man become a sniper rifle man dog and boss a jelly with a 16. After he marks, him not even need a scope on the top. Shit is crazy, bro. How the fuck? The man in our music video, boss jelly dog. I first remember say Alkaline in our music video, bro. I do more action. Bro, that's crazy. Real action. Kinda warm and mass dance, gold and Alaska, man go do any start time. While them a men's and a scan penny and guanta, send them a funeral ball. Again, I have to say it, bro. The mask I showcase in a video are really a vendetta representation the dog I showcase in a video. And I like whosoever make the video. Well, I think it's a Maniac. A Maniac make the direct the video and I like how the man direct the video. It makes sure say the mask have its own representation in a video. Vendetta movement, vendetta way, so vendetta dominance, resilience, and that the mask representation I give in a video and badness back at that at the same time. I'm gonna rate that, bro. I'm gonna rate that in the video, bro. What is he? Oh shit. Man I write vendetta, bro. Man write the vendetta on the wall, yo. Man I tell it say, yo, I one way and a vendetta way. That way. Big up to the true ambassador for the audio, you know, man. From the audio drop, you know the support run out already and people are supported. Right now the audio is like 900 and plus thousand on YouTube and the video right now just dropped. It's 3 hours ago, it's around 17,000 views. Fans them and support it. Keep supporting it. Keep supporting it, you know. Get it to 1,000,000 quick. But the video tough. I like the video and the suspense in the video and the mass manica in the video. It is so connected to the whole audio. I'm rate that. I never would have think say the video would have look something like this. As I say, it give you a Cree vibe. So you know how Cree video did run down already. Wicked. So let's see what that one here do, because it'll do it. It'll do it, bro. Dangerous Youth. And Dangerous Youth, the rhythm give you a calm vibe, but the lyrics just a punch. It'll give you a different type of sequence with the lyrics. I like that, bro. And the video give it a plus. Now that's the end of the video. That's the end of the reaction video, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. If you like the video and if it spark your interest for watch it, and always watch it and you know, share your thoughts on it. Let me know in the comment section, and remember, you know, stay tuned for the next update. And I'm mad pre. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.